So one of the biggest challenges for me and Steph, once we found each other and we decided that we wanted to work with each other and we'd raise some money, was to hire a team that could rally whenever we needed to push something out and could believe in the mission and could just kind of be there with us as part of this Notch family that we started. So the first person we brought on board was Rebecca, who was our Chief Creative Officer. And she just did all the branding, all the initial designs, all the marketing initially. She was just, you know, a genius, an incredible addition to the team. She added so much to the company, and really we couldn't be here without her today. And then she decided to pursue her own entrepreneurial path, which was awesome because to a certain extent, I think, you know, the entire experience of Notch inspired her to try to become an entrepreneur herself. Then the story of how we found our amazing new designer is just awesome. He saw Notch in the App Store in Australia and downloaded it, and then became one of our biggest users. And he was notching away. He was one of the funniest users, and I kind of clicked with him, and I started looking into this guy, you know, creepily trying to figure out who he actually is. And so I found out that he was actually an amazing designer, an award-winning designer actually. And at the time, we were kind of starting to look for someone else. And so I said, "Hey, Aaron, would you be interested in working for Notch?" And he was like, "Yeah." And I remember the Skype call that we had with him, telling us how much money he earned, and he used to earn an insane amount of money. Like, I've never earned that much in my life. And I was like, "So, like, would you take 4x less money to come work for us in the US?" And he was like, "Yeah, I'll probably think about that for a bit." And a few hours after, he was like, "Yes, I'm totally going to come and do it." And it was just amazing that we sourced such a big addition to our team from our user base, and it's awesome that we can do that. Our first engineer, Mihai, is from my hometown, and I first met him when I was 16, almost 17. He's 2 years older than me. We met by the seaside in Romania, and I was actually studying for the SATs to apply to Stanford. And I remember we met, and we had a great time for a few days, and I just had this really awesome memory of him being a great guy. And so when we started looking for our first engineer, we started interviewing people from Stanford and just Silicon Valley. And then, you know, I accidentally mentioned it to one of my friends in Romania that we were looking for an engineer. And all of a sudden I get this email from Mihai, who I hadn't been in touch with, and you know, I'm like, "Yeah, let's definitely give it a shot." And so we interviewed everyone, and he was the best. We decided to take him. He worked from afar for 5 months, and then we brought him over 2 months ago. So he's a newbie here. And then we have Eric, who is actually one of our biggest users. He actually worked at the Stanford incubator that we were a part of. He just graduated from Stanford Law and is currently studying to pass the bar. So he's going to be the first duplicate of me addition to the team, who's not going to code or design. He's just going to help me kind of handle all the operations and legal side of the company, so I can focus more on just, you know, creative product, industry trends, fundraising, blah blah. And then we have our new addition to the team, whose name is Travis. We just stole him from an amazing company called Chartboost. He's going to be our full stack engineer, and he's incredibly excited to join us. He's starting on August 1st actually, so I don't even know if this is public yet, but it's just really exciting to have him on board. He has so much experience, and he's going to be great for helping us scale, which is something that we plan on doing starting in September. We're hiring 2 more people. I'm sure that in the next 3 weeks we're going to know who those people are, and we're going to be a team of 8 or 9, depending, and just going to go forward and make Notch explode in the next few months.